For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Supreme Court asked the centre to issue a direction for states over the payment of salaries to doctors. The central government has been asked to issue compliance orders by the 18th of June. The Supreme Court said that the state and central government shall ensure salaries are paid to doctors and health workers, and compliance order for the same shall be issued by tomorrow by the centre. It also added that quarantine facilities for doctors and health workers who are not high risk shall be ensured. Directorate of Health to ensure this is done by tomorrow. The Supreme Court further added that appropriate orders, non-compliance of directives by state for setting up of quarantine facilities will be issued by the centre by tomorrow. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the court that the government had already issued a circular to states. He also said that a directive to the states will be issued within 24 hours. The Supreme Court also said that non-compliance of the order would be viewed seriously. The Supreme Court has given a month's time for the centre to file a report on payment of salaries to medical staff. It is reported that after a month, another hearing will be held on the same issue. In the PIL, it was said that salaries were not being paid regularly to healthcare workers. The direction came on June 17th from a three-judge bench headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan. The three-judge bench comprised of Justices Ashok Bhushan, S.K. Kaul and M.R. Shah. The Supreme Court also warned that if the healthcare workers don't get paid, then it will be considered as an offence. The Apex Court further added that a case will be filed under IPC Section 188 and the Disaster Management Act. The court was hearing a petition filed by Dr. Arushi Jain challenging the central government's new standard operating procedure. The new SOP was issued for frontline warriors, which sought mandatory 14-day quarantine for doctors. The new SOP was issued by the central government on the 15th of May. The Supreme Court has listed the matter for purposes of taking stock of compliance in 4 weeks. Justice Bhushan said to Solicitor General that the centre's notification does away with quarantine unless they come in the ambit of high-risk exposure, and that everyone must be quarantined at least for 7 days. The Solicitor General also said that he will get instructions from concerned officers by the end of the day. The Supreme Court also directed the government to ensure quarantine facilities are provided to healthcare workers. According to the Supreme Court, quarantine facilities should be provided to those who are working to combat COVID-19. It is reported that now the quarantine period for healthcare workers will be for 1 week. However, based on the health condition of the healthcare workers, it will be modified. The next hearing is scheduled in 4 weeks' time from now.